Hello, Maurice here again, A1 Roofing Services, KangaRoof out of Maryland. And what I want to talk to you today about is metal roof restoration. We got a very old metal roof here. It's probably about 42 years old. The unit owner has been having a lot of leaks on this actual portion of the roof. As you can see, it's got a lot of caked up roof cement on it. And so what we're going to do is scrape all the caked up roof cement off, and we will do a cleaning on it. We want to make sure we get all the rust and the rust inhibitor off of there. And so as you can see here now, our technician is spraying the roof down with a special cleaner that we have. And I said rust inhibitor. We want to get the oxidation off the roof. And so this material that we're using, you see he's spraying down the roof with a special cleaner that we use to get all the oxidation and the rust off the roof. And so our next step after this is going to be to power wash. Now we're in the process of scraping all the seams off. As you can see, our technicians are taking off the old tar that was caked up on the seams here. As you can see there, comes off real easy. On a real hot day like today, I think it's about 90 degrees right now. So that tar comes off super easy there. You see our other technician is putting down the base coat and the fabric. I'm just going to go back over top of that with some more base coat. On days like today, the product dries pretty fast because of the colors. And we're using our encased primer bronze up here. So our next phase, after we get finished going over all of our seams, we'll be putting a quick caulk over top of all the fasteners that you see here. Be a situation like what we did down here. So that'll dry the fasteners in. And we'll come back with our primer and then the top coat. Okay, so we just about got all of our fasteners covered. As you can see, the white quick caulk over top of all the fasteners. We'll run over top of all the seams with our base coat and fabric. Put that there. Okay, so we already got our rust inhibitor on the encase. It's pretty much a primer to increase the adhesion of the top coat. So that's the black grayish looking material you see here, and we've already got one coat on this side here of our top coat, the Rapid Roof 3. So yeah, we're coming down the home stretch with the project here. Metal roof restoration. This roof is 40 years old. Had a lot of repairs done over the years. So we scraped a lot of the roof cement off. And as you can see here, a lot of the areas here where the cement was pretty tight, we just left it there and encapsulated it with our benchmark base coat. And you see up there? So they're coated with quick caulk. And then we came back when we primed it, and then we put on our 2 coatings of the Rapid Roof 3. So this is a finishing product. So if you'd like to find out more about metal roof restorations, If there's any questions that we can answer for you, please go to our address below and give us a like and subscribe to our channel.